Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
8:23 in the morning. At 8:30, it's probably going to get pretty loud because I'm inside where Bluey is playing, but I'm here to see the conservation station, so let's take a look around. And what time are they again?
Reticulated and Burmese.
Okay. Oh, kind of a glare there.
Hi.
Are they big? Oh, I see. It's right there, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I thought that was like a landscaping with little rocks right there.
Yeah.
And a little pathway. That's so. Which one is that one with the big spots on it? That's a reticulated, and
This is over there.
over here. Okay. Oh, there he is. Okay. Oh, do they get along? Okay.
They used to hear the jokes.
Wash your hands.
And I believe this is the little Komodo dragon. It's little earlier. This is Polici.
Well, we'll have to buy it.
So there's exhibits here. Now outside there are two animals. The first is Khaleesi, which you can see without going into the jump-in junction. And then the second one is a python, two pythons. So a Burmese and I think articulated. So we're going to go into the nutrition center now. That's the second thing to see. So I actually went in the outdoors after seeing the jump-in station. And this is a nutrition center where they create all the food.
I was gonna say
The animals all here.
How do you drink kids? Well, no, this thing have blew up. Letting you shook ourselves. That was like one of the last ones. Letting you shook ourselves? No, that was like the kids were all much older.
It's so funny when I openly mind that it's that large. Like, I can't look at it all.
Now this one says it's a Puerto Rican koa. Let's see if we can spot this guy.
But the where's random?
Oh, there he is, right there. Taking a little morning nap here. And the giant prickly stick. So how are we going to see a stick in this? If you see it, leave a comment down below here that you saw where the prickly stick was. Oh, that could be him right there. And then we have the blue death-finding beetle. Oh, there he is right there. You see him running into that log? Okay. And the emperor scorpion. I wonder if that means he's big. I understand that the smaller that they are, the more dangerous they are. And then the desert scorpion. So again, I'm not seeing those. Oh no, there's a deadly scorpion over there by the water dish. There's the other one over by his water dish. Now here's some pressed ones. Now to me, no, that's not a scorpion. Those are those things that they pinch you. It doesn't kill you, it won't die. I actually had one of those underneath my pillow when I lived in Hawaii.
요즘 같은 이제 커버를 시작해 이제 프로그램에서 프로그램 farming 양아시고 그리고 you not giving me the news.
Look at that bug there. Oh, ants, hate ants. And we have a pink orchid mantis, a giant tailless whip scorpion. Don't want anything that says whip scorpion. And a Brazilian salmon tarantula. And it's not very salmon. It's right there. And it's about time for Bluey to come out. There's another walk stick, right? There. And here are the reptiles. The Egyptian tortoise. And here's the Bluey.
Me too. Oh, yeah, lots of fun. Like, everyone used to play with you. If you're excited, look at some animals eat asparagus in the wild. This is a magic asparagus. You see, if I pointed at someone and call out an animal, chicken, they become that animal. Put it back to yourself. Whoa. That's funny. I wonder if this works on kids and grown-ups too. Let's find out and play magic asparagus. Okay, now you are all chickens. Let me see this correctly. Come on, chickens. Oh yeah.
So this is the Science Center. It's the first thing you see when you come out of Bluey, and it's pretty noisy behind me. So as I said, there's people working. Yeah, the Science Center, learning stuff. Doing a little training. Maybe this is the sort of camp that they're doing right now.
Oh yeah. That will be kangaroos. Let's see what's on the Oh yeah. You got the kangaroos over here. Yes.
Well, this is one of my favorite places, which is the Animal Health Center. And I actually got to watch them doing the checkups for the meerkats in here. And today, you can see the schedule. So today is Wednesday. So tomorrow they're going to have the cotton top camera in here. Let's see what today they're going to have. Oh, they do dental care.
What did you want to get to that? Oh, it's so safe. That is one powerful vegetable.
And they do corrective care.
The way it is. Oh, all the things octopus. Octopus. If underwater rodent. Really sad. So we're missing that's
Oh, Ongo's going to get medical behavior training. Let's take a look at the inside the health center.
Hello, fish. So you should have to swim around the room, but not get
Oh, looks like they have an MRI right there. And here's the amphibians. Boy, it's nice and cool in here. So this is basically the place to spend a nice afternoon if you get hot. That and the new Zootopia, that's nice. The Lion King, so I'll have a video about that, of other places to go stay cool here at Animal Kingdom on a hot afternoon. So who do we have? We have the Emperor Newt. Let's see him. Oh, is that his little tail? That might be his little tail right there. And the splashback poison frog. Oh. All right. Oh, there he is right up front. You see him right there? Okay. Oop, there he moved. The Puerto Rican crested toad. This makes me think of tropical Americas. I need to go see how that's coming along. The Vietnamese mossy frog. So he'd be mossy colored. They'd be green. But not really seeing him. And up here they tell you everything about the different animals. I like the Princess and the Frog poster right there. That's very cute. And here's what it's like here in the morning. So if you're a Disney grandma like me, what a nice place just to sit here, watch the people go by. And here we have the flat-tailed gecko on the other side of the amphibians. And it has the axolotl.
That's not the next. Yeah. Yeah.
And the gecko. Not seeing him. So again, if you saw him, put it in the link down below where you saw him. And we're back to the reptiles. And I believe this is a Disney Conservation Fund room. And this room is that if you're in the main lobby, just coming in from the outdoor, you just turn right and you're in this conservation room. It has information about the Wilderness Explorers. And I see a couple running around, so they're probably here. And a monarch way station. There's little tiny plaques there that you can read. And more about the conservation. And tracking tiny monkeys. Oh, look at the little tiny transmitters they put on them. We're doing that in Colombia. And this is a Bindi cook stove preserved habitats by using this type of a cook stove probably rather than an open flame. Oh, it looks like Bluey is just finishing up. And this is trash into treasure. So this is things that they're making with trash, these plastic bags. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. And these are the sea turtle nests, and that's why you have to be so careful when you walk on the ocean here that you don't crush these sea turtles, or you don't dig down in with your sandcastle making. They're mostly up closer to the vegetation, and do not disturb, like they say, do not disturb the turtle nests. Okay? And it shows the turtle release. And I've stayed at Vero Beach, one of the Disney properties, and they actually have a nice tour that you can take and you can go out at night and actually watch the turtles running to the sea. Now outside is just a wonderful gift store with all the new Bluey stuff here. I wonder if there's any kangaroo things. Oh, there they are. Here's all the kangaroo stuff for the jumping junction. So we have kangaroo things. Oh, look at that with the little Joey in there. So I'm going to go inside and use the restroom. Now, I think they've redone all these murals. This all looks different than it was before. But the restrooms are right here. Family restroom. And then the women and the men's. So I love these little signs in the bathroom. Little education the whole time you're here. One of my favorite Disney bathrooms. Not only with all the little education on the side, but it's just beautifully themed. Look at those tiles. Or would you like to have those tiles? Yeah, it's empty. course, everyone was rushing in to see Bluey, and the Bluey show's still going. So you pretty much have the bathroom and the changing station here, the conservation station, all to yourself. And the walk back from conservation station is beautiful. Take your time because there's signs to read all the way. And in the middle section here, there's a more displays and exhibits. And a nice little play area to rest right here. Great photo opportunity right here. Thanks for watching. And coming up will be a stay at my DVC home resort, Saratoga Springs, followed by a few nights at the new DVC cabins at Fort Wilderness. Be sure and subscribe and ring that bell to get notified of my next video. And if you're a Disney movie fan, enjoy my What Happens Next series.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.